Here we have the E6-2 Soundex Performance Quick-Tech Cutting Enclosure. This unique product actually boasts a number of features, including the customary caster wheels that we have on the majority of our enclosures. And with this product you can actually create a dedicated cutting zone on site, which is excellent for safe work procedures. Now inside the cutting enclosure there's a couple of features which need to be drawn to our attention. One of them, you've got this light up here which illuminates the cutting bench. That's at an optimum height for your machinery to be sitting on top of that for safe operation. Also is this, you can see this big area behind the bench. That is actually a spark resistant material, and in the middle of that then you've got the dust extraction port coming out, which can then go through a system of filtration, meaning that you can keep the purity of air on your site. And then out either side, to the left hand and right hand side of the bench, both sides of this enclosure, you've got the ports going out through, so that long lengths of materials can go through across the saw and out the other side without having to make this enclosure really large. So we've kept the footprint down to as small as possible, but you can still use long material. You can obviously help control both the noise from the cutting work and also contain the dust that's created during the cutting operation. It draws together both the cutting operations into one area, which means that both the noise and the dust are localized, making for excellent safe work procedures. It takes up a minimal footprint. You can collapse it down, very, very small. You can maneuver it around site if you need to. It can be carried to different locations. You don't need lifting equipment. You've got the clear flaps on the opening of the enclosure, which gives excellent visibility. And this feature also enables people to see someone coming out if someone else was entering in, adding to a bit of a safety feature from that point. Obviously it can go down onto a pallet to be transported around easily, but if you do need to get it down into a very tight space, this can be broken down into component form and carried down there manually. It features the Quick-Tech aluminium frame, which is very, very easy to put up and down. You've got a very quick installation of less than 15 minutes. With no special tools required, so that makes it very easy to put up and down. It includes obviously all the standard Soundex features, such as the fire resistant, weather resistant, made of non-irritant materials, and obviously manufactured, as all of them are, in the UK.